Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for joining in. My name is Victor Prasad. I'm a real estate broker here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, and today we're going to take a look at one of the new listings that I have coming out to the market here. So we're going to do a quick walkthrough, talk about the home a little bit, and then I'll get you up to speed with everything that's in here. All the information is going to pop up on the screen here shortly. Bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, all the fun stuff. So stay tuned and let's go take a look, right? See ya. Sorry if it's a little bit windy. So here's the exterior of the property right now. And then what I'm gonna do is give you a tour of it. The photographer's in there right now. So I'm gonna walk through and just give you what's going on with the property and kind of go from there. Go take a look inside. All right, so we just walked in the front door. Immediately to our right here, we have a half bathroom, restroom and sink. And as we walk into the space, here's the kitchen to our right, living room, and then to our left, we have the office. So this is a den. They're using it as an office right now. But one quick thing to note about this is that there's no closet in here, so we don't classify it as a bedroom. However, I mean, there's certainly more than enough room to put a closet in and make it a bedroom if you want to. Keep in mind, this property is 4 bedrooms plus a den, so it's really, really large. So here's our living room. And then we're gonna come to the guest bedroom sides and head over to the kitchen, then the master. So here's bedroom number 1. All right. And that has a full set in there and a couch. So the rooms are really good size, actually. Here is guest bedroom number 2. And then here is guest bedroom number 3. So coming into the guest bathroom, you can see that we have dual sinks, which is phenomenal. Updated, remodeled. And then we have the shower. And then this door leads into the pool area. So here's the living room. Then we have room for, here's the dining room table, and then we have a eat-in bar in the kitchen. And then keep in mind, the way that my clients use this home right now, making sure that it's a wide open space, but you could certainly add a larger dining room table, add additional cabinets or a hutch or a piece of furniture for storage here. And then we have this massive kitchen. So here in the kitchen, what's really cool is that all the appliances are brand new, super clean home, consistent flooring throughout, a pantry off to the side. And then as soon as we walk into the laundry room, we have a utility sink here, washer dryer, of course, more storage options. And then we're gonna come into the garage. So here's the garage, 3-car garage, all set up and really well organized. So if you didn't know, we have an electrical sub panel here to where right outside this garage door is the generator. That's not included, you'll need your own generator, of course. But here's the sub panel where you could switch on and off all the different sections of the home. And there are even spare tabs. It's not fully full yet, so you have control over how the electricity is gonna be used in the home. All right, so when we leave the garage, we are gonna come into the master bedroom here. Then I'll show you outside. So we have tray ceiling, of course, in the master bedroom. We come into the master bath. We have a regular door, not a pocket door. So I don't know about you guys. Sometimes pocket doors are awesome. but other times you just want a regular door and not fiddle with anything. So we have dual vanity sinks again. There is a tub in the corner for soaking and enjoying your Florida home. Anywho, rain head shower, and this is all tile, of course. And then we have the restroom over here and the master closet. Don't worry, I'll show you. Here's the master closet. Dual racks, plenty of storage in here, plenty. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice or not right now. And then, yeah, let's go outside and take a look at the pool area. So here is the pool area. All this is under truss and lanai, which is really, really nice. It's hard to describe in the photo. I actually have a 360 virtual tour. I'll put the link in the description box below. But we have doggy doors leading outside. Huge side yard over here. Mini fire pit, all rocked up. We have the pool, of course. And what you can't see is behind this trailer over here, it's enough room to park a boat or a camper in the back here. There's actually a side gate. So there's actually a side gate over here where you could back in and out of. And of course you're on a corner lot. Mature royal palms that are here. The neighbors have not mature ones, but they do have royal palms, but eventually they'll get big like this, similar to like what's near McGregor. All this is brand new gravel that was just put in for a rock hardscape. So you have minimal landscaping back here. You don't have to worry about irrigation, making sure that the grass back here gets watered or any of those items. So a lot of room. Pavered patch of grass over here. Here's the pool equipment. Heated pool, of course. Reverse osmosis system. Oh, I think that's locked. I was going to show it to you. Brand new system. So these clients are meticulous. I mean, it's incredible of how well this house is taken care of. So here's that generator hookup that I was telling you about, and this 4-ton air handler Trane system, which is incredible. If you know anything about those type of systems, they're super expensive, but they work very, very well. In any case, let's go back inside and I'll chat with you for a second. All right, so here's the thing. This house is incredibly updated. So the owners of this property are meticulous, and I'm gonna pop up a list of all the items that they've done to this property because it's been so much that they've done. Basically, this is a brand new construction home, but all the mechanicals have been taken care of. The home is super clean. To get a house of this size and with all the features and benefits that it carries, it's very difficult to find at the price point that it's at right now and find something of equal or lesser value. So there's a lot of bang for the buck here. So what I'm saying is that if you were looking for a new construction property right now, consider a resale home, especially if you're building brand new. There's pros and cons to building brand new, but more importantly, there's escalation clauses that you have to go through. There's fill dirt that you have to contend with, site preparation, well and septic. There's longer timelines when it comes time for building. It's taken between 1.5 to 2 years to construct, depending on the builder. Some builders are saying that they could get it done in a year. It's a model that they build all the time, so it's not anything that you're going to be able to build that's custom. With the size of this property and all the features and benefits, you'd be hard pressed to find this in a new construction. So consider a resale property because you don't have to wait. The price is the price, whereas a new construction, there could be variables that you're not aware of, and you may have to write a check at the very end if the bank doesn't cover those costs. So there's definitely pros and cons to a resale home versus a new construction home. But I would say that there are homes like this that are in the Cape Coral market that you could actually get a hold of and purchase, and you're good to go versus going into new construction. Like I said, there's pros and cons to both. It's something that you guys will have to take into consideration when making your buying decision. But in any case, you know, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. If you want to see more property tours like this, click the info card here, and that'll show you more Cape Coral property tours. If you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. That greatly helps out my channel being found on YouTube's algorithm. Wouldn't you know it, as soon as I'm ready, just buttoned up everything. Look at that, it's starting to rain. Is it raining on my lens? It's starting to rain right now. As soon as I finish, it starts raining. So no aerials today, but we'll be sure we get some. All right, thank you guys. See you soon, bye.